Hello, welcome to Hacks and Tips. Today we're diving into the world of DIY, specifically addressing that pesky issue of a blocked sink. Kitchen or bathroom, it's an annoyance we've all faced. But don't worry, we've got your back with 5 DIY solutions to get that water flowing again. First, a simple trick. Mix boiling water with dish soap, then slowly pour it down the drain. Let it sit for a spell, allowing it to break down any grease or soap scum causing the blockage. Next, the old baking soda and vinegar trick. Half a cup of baking soda goes down the drain, followed by a cup of vinegar. Cover the drain, wait for 10 to 15 minutes, then flush with hot water. The resulting chemical reaction breaks down the debris causing the blockage. Got a plunger? It could be your new best friend. Create a tight seal around the drain and give it a few strong plunges. This method works wonders for minor clogs. For those tough blockages, a drain snake can be your knight in shining armor. Insert it into the drain, give it a twist, and watch as it breaks up or pulls out the offending debris. Lastly, a DIY drain cleaner. Combine equal parts baking soda and salt, then pour it down the drain. Follow it up with a cup of vinegar, let it sit for 15 minutes, then flush with hot water. This can dissolve organic matter causing the blockage, and there you have it, folks. 5 DIY methods to unblock your sink. Give these a shot based on the severity of the blockage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY tips, and share it with anyone facing a sink dilemma. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy fixing.